Face first, and then rat poop. Right down there. See there? There's a whole bunch of it packed in there. It's like they use this for their outhouse, except it's nice and warm in there. What they do is they go after that foam, insulation, and then insulation up here is really nice to make their beds out of. So they take that with them and they go home, and sometimes home is somewhere else in the car. So we do our best to eliminate that, but also scare them away. We don't want to attract them using bait. What happens is they come by and they eat their wires on their way to the bait, and then so we found a way to get rid of them, have them move on by using a repellent. Helps keep them out from under the hood. So that's what we do here, and see it on all kinds of cars and trucks, new and old, and just something we have to deal with.